Welcome back from your nice restful spring break. Hopefully you had some fun even though you're not supposed to travel anywhere. Hopefully you had a little bit of time off from school and got to do some stuff outside. We are in week 3 here, April 14th through the 17th, 2020. Learning target for this week. Students will get an introduction to workplace hazards and understand OSHA. To accomplish by this Friday coming up, you're going to be watching this video here. You're going to take the job safety pretest. Some of you have taken this. It's updated a little bit. You're going to watch the job safety presentation about workplace hazards. And then you're going to post a comment on job safety video assignment number 1. So, got a little bit of watching this week. Take a little pretest and post a comment. And that is what you have to complete this week for job safety. In here, distance learning. First thing, office hours. Hans' office hours and Stieber's office hours. Right there, Tuesdays, Thursdays for Han, 2 to 2:30. Stieber office hours, 8 to 9 a.m. and 2 to 2:30 Monday through Friday. If you click on this, it'll take you to the meeting link that we will be at. So if you got questions, it's a good time to ask them. Write them all down, come in and ask those questions. Or just pop in to say hi because we like seeing our students. That's why we're here. Then week 3, overview, which we're watching right now. Job safety pretest. Job safety presentation. This job safety presentation is a video going through this presentation here. Okay? So if you watch this, you just have to take a peek in here, and then you're going to go job safety video assignment. In the video assignment, you're going to watch this job safety video. You are going to, before you post, look at this rubric below. Take a peek at the rubric, 10 out of 10. More than 4 sentences, you are one of the best employees. It'd be hard to replace you. So this is what we want your discussion post writing to look like. 8 out of 10. 2 to 3 sentences. Your writing is complete. Details could be explained more. You're completing what your boss asked you to do. 6 out of 10. 1 sentence. Your writing needs expansion. Your quality of work is starting to cost your company money. 4 out of 10. Not even a complete sentence. You're costing the company money on a regular basis. You're in jeopardy of losing your job. So everything we do in this class, again, remember it's about relating to your job. You're going to get jobs that you like at work and you do a great job. You're going to get jobs that you don't like at work. You still got to do a great job on those. I always put that to the point of, or I always think about those jobs I don't like doing. To make myself get up to here, what I do is I force myself to do those first before I do the jobs I like. Course 1 students, you're going to post 3 takeaways from the video. How does the video change the way of thinking about job safety? What is something at your work currently seems routine, but could hurt you if you're not paying special attention? Course 2 students, find a person that's been injured at the job and find out what went wrong. Describe the preventative steps that could have been taken not to get injured. Course 3 and 4 students, explain the last close call that you had at work. If you didn't have a close call, talk about somebody else's close call. If somebody else didn't have a close call, think about what could be a close call. Manufacturing and automotive, these are pretty easy. Close calls happen on a regular basis. The other industries, you still have to do some stuff at work. What if you're coming in and you got a slippery sidewalk all the time? All winter long there's a slippery sidewalk. What if you had to change the light bulb and you had to get the ladder out? What if something like that can all be close calls? If you're doing child care, student gets, or one of your children that you're caring for get too high on a playground equipment or something like that. Okay? So that's what we're talking about there. The answer for close call can't be, I didn't have any close calls. It's basically what I'm saying and basically what I'm getting at. All right. That that is what you would complete then for this week's Job Safety Unit. Have a great week.